If you'd like to know how to use the Cabana waitlist feature, you've come to the right place. In order to use the Cabana waitlist feature, you'll first need to log into your real-time reservation site using your administrative credentials. Once you've logged in, click on the Hotel Settings button, as shown here. After that, you'll need to scroll down until you get to the Cabana waitlist option. This can be a helpful way to ensure that your cabanas stay booked even when there are last-minute cancellations. From a guest's point of view, if they can see that your property offers the ability to get on your property's waitlist for any desired times or dates, they will at least feel more comforted knowing that there's still a chance they may be able to book the cabana of their choosing if it becomes available. Once you've made your selection, as shown in the previous slides, your waitlist preference can be saved by going back to the top of the page and clicking Save. Enabling the Cabana waitlist feature will allow your property to continue taking waitlist requests even when your cabanas are completely booked. When a guest sees that a cabana category is sold out for the day, they should see an Add to Waitlist button. As you can see here, the guest will have the option of adding themselves to the waitlist. Once they've added their information and submitted their request, they'll be all set. That guest will be notified if and when they are able to reserve their selection. From the staff side, however, you'll be able to see whether or not a category is sold out for the day, as shown here. You can move any guest that is currently on a waitlist into an actual location by going to the grid screen shown here. If you'd like to move a waitlist item into an actual location, first select the waitlist cell. Then select the location you would like to move that guest to and select the Move Waitlist button, adding them into their requested time slot. Once this is done, the guest should be notified immediately to inform them that their reservation request has been accepted. After that, you're all set. We hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial. Thanks for listening.